3, 2, 1. Let's talk about an important security goal, which is the principle of least privilege. What this stands for really is a very intuitive concept. Imagine that you have a mailbox and you have your house. If the mail person comes by and wants to give you the mail, the easiest way for them to give you the mail is to open up your box and put the mail in. And the advantage of this is that they don't need to have the key to your house, right? So they don't need to go inside your house and maybe accidentally let a baby out, or your dog out, or some other thing that you're trying to do in your house, because they don't need to go to your house to deliver the mail. That's really the concept of the principle of least privilege. Even in the best scenario where really you're very friendly with your neighbor, it's not a good situation to give them access to things that they don't need access to, because you're actually exposing them to risk in addition to the other resources in your house. It's the same thing with cloud computing or any IT security in general. Is you should always give somebody what they need to have access. So just a small section of the cloud, potentially the files that they need to work with or the service they need to work with. And that way everybody's protected. And instead of creating this giant security hole, you've limited things by default. And really, this is one of the best possible ways to set up security.